Hello there, this is Viviana Diaz and I want to show you a video tutorial on how to add activities in your course. So first of all, let's turn editing on. And we are here. We are going to click on add activities, and we have to add a forum for support questions, for a support forum. Okay, in order for my students to write and ask some questions. So write here your questions and comments. Okay, I think that's all. I'm going to tick this in order to see on the page, and I'm going to save and return to course because I have to add another forum section. Yes, but this time with a grade. Okay, and I'm going to name this Introducing Yourself. Introducing yourself. I have prepared the text in another document, which is here, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, good. So this is the instruction to complete, and then I'm going to grade it. Okay, I have to tick on that, give it points, and grade to pass. It's 100 because they only have to write or post their recordings. Okay, completion conditions. Yes, I'm going to add some requirements. For example, view the activity, and then start discussion at least once and post replies at least twice. Okay, so I think that's all. And then I'm going to add another activity which we are required to do. Okay, this is the Moodle read aloud. Click on that. For example, this is a reading activity, reading aloud activity, and I'm going to do this and paste it in the course content section here. Okay, this is the text that the students have to read. Okay, and for example, they will need, or it will be enough, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oops, I forgot. Here I have to put the text. Okay, and then I'm going to delete that. Okay, target unlimited. This is non-graded activity, so I think that I can save and return to course. Okay, and let's see how it looks like. Reading activity. Now I'm going to add a quiz. Okay, so I'm going to click on activities, go back there and click on quiz. And for example, I'm going to name it a quiz. A quiz. And I have also the text for this one. Okay, I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, and then I have to add the questions. Okay, but this is how a quiz is done, and then I have to grade it because this is grade to pass, 70. Completion activities, other requirements, again the same. view the activities, attempt maybe 2. Okay, I don't know if there is something else I have to do. Review options, I think it's all. Let's go back to course, but first of all, I have something missing. I know that. So that is 7. Okay. Rate to pass 7. Save and return to course. Very good then. Okay, so there's one activity left, which is the sticky notes. Okay, so let's go here and click on sticky notes. And the name of my sticky notes in this case is strength and weakness. Okay, okay, doesn't matter, I'm going to do this. Okay, and here for example you have to write your 1 strength and 1 weakness. Getting to know you, write Ctrl C, and then here. Okay, get you. Getting to know you. Okay, and this is the instruction. Write 1 strength and 1 weakness. Okay, so maybe I can display that on the page. Again, this view the activity. Student must create this number of sticky notes to complete the activity, at least 2. And I think that I'm missing here. Yes, like limits. Okay, it doesn't matter, maybe 4. It depends on the amount of students we have, but let's configure with 4 first. And I think that's all. Save and return to course, and that's it. I think I have finished. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.